Welcome to this screencast. We're doing the merge sort. This is for GCSE computer science. The merge sort is quite a fast sorting algorithm, and it works by taking the unsorted list, and the first thing you do, you split it into two smaller lists. Next, I'm going to pick the first two elements of the lists. I compare them to, one is the smallest, I write it into the new list, and I move to the next one. So where I removed one element, the second list in this case, I now pick 8, compare 8 with 2 from the first list, 2 is the smallest, and I keep moving on this way. 5 and 8, 5, then 16 and 8, 16 and 15, 16 and 22, and that's how a merge sort works. With a large list, big data sets, merge sorts is faster than the other algorithm you need to learn for your GCSE. Thank you for listening to this screencast. I look forward to the work you will do in our lessons.